What's up, cubers? My name is Kenneth and I am back today with a new unboxing video. It's been 2.5 months since my last video. This is the longest break I've had on my channel since 2009. Almost 10 years of consistent videos. I hope you guys have been enjoying it all these years, and I'm excited to get back into cubing. I took some time off because I had my third child and spent time with the family. But yeah, now I'm excited. I got some fun videos lined up, including this one, which is going to be an old-fashioned unboxing video on redKB. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and yeah, let's open this bag and get started. I think the puzzle is, how do you open this box? Oh, there we go. I see it's got a magnetic. It opens up like that. Oh, nice. Very cool. And then let's see what's in here. Oh yeah, look at all this. Very cool. We got some springs, a band. There's Matt's Valk. And accessories package. So here's the cube. I'm really excited about it. This cube is actually a limited edition to celebrate Matt's Valk's partnership with QiYi MoFangGe. The Valk came out 2 years ago now, and so this commemorates that 2-year anniversary. And so they decided to make an all red cube. So obviously this is a red cube, and they chose red because it symbolizes good fortune, luck. I think their video said courage and power and all these really great ideas. And so they made, it's limited edition. They only made 555 of those. I like that number. That's kind of a fun number to make. It's not like they just made, 500. 555 is really cool. And they also came with these limited edition stickers that have kind of all the signatures of everyone involved in the partnership. So we have Matt's Valk, we got limited edition, the LE, and we have all these other signatures with different shades of like purple and violet, and those are really cool hues. And it also comes with a more traditional sticker set, so you could make it a Speedcube with just normal colors. And I'm really torn. I don't know what to do. I kind of got it for two reasons. One, I don't have any magnetic cubes. There's actually magnets in this one, make it kind of want to align itself perfectly. And the other reason I got it was it's limited edition. It's a limited edition cube, and I'm kind of a sucker for limited edition. Obviously I love the red color, so that's kind of why I got it. So I'm not sure what to do. I think, it's limited edition. I'm going to put the purple stickers on, and if I want another Speedcube, I can just get another Speedcube. So yeah, I'm going to keep this limited edition. I'm going to put the purple stickers on, and yeah, let's take a look what it looks like once they're on. I'm not sure what kind of sticker color scheme to use. I'm not sure if I should put like the most opposite colors opposite of each other, or if I should put similar colors kind of opposite of each other, because that might make it harder. I think I'm going to keep similar colors away from each other. Let's see, these two are opposites, these two are opposites, and these two are opposites. That's what I think I'm going to try to do. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. So kind of interesting in the packaging material. I'm going to try to follow this color scheme, which is kind of how I have it here. None of these three I had were opposites. So and then I'll put the what I thought I should have the opposite color opposite of that, if that makes sense. Yeah. So anyway, let's get started. So here is the limited edition version of the Valk M, and man, it looks really, really attractive. I really like these cool stickers. The way they kind of like pop 1 minute, you don't really see them, and then they're super bright. They look really cool. They definitely don't have the feel of those like kind of plasticky normal speed cubing stickers. They do feel, I'm not sure if they are, but they do feel kind of paper. But whatever they are, the printing of these signatures is like super crisp. They did a great job of making it look really nice. So yeah, I'm gonna scramble it up and solve it. It's gonna be really difficult to solve because these colors are so close. Like, look at the difference between this color and that color. There's such a slight shade of kind of violet that it's going to be hard to solve. So anyway, I'm going to scramble it up, and yeah, we'll see how hard it is. So let's give it a scramble. Oh wow, it looks great scrambled too, doesn't it? I'm going to solve this darker side first, and yeah, so let's get started. Ready, set, go. Maybe there. There we go. So that was a solve of the Valk Power M limited edition cube. And yeah, you can see it was hard to see the stickers, know which piece goes where, but eventually I got there. And then of course you got to kind of orient these centers so that the signatures stay aligned, so that they're all kind of up and down together. And yeah, so what a cool puzzle. Congrats to Mats, and obviously on his 2-year partnership with QiYi. I hope it was a fun unboxing, first unboxing in a really long time on my channel. And yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below. Do the things that you guys know how to do. Hit the like button, share it with a friend, hit the subscribe button if you haven't, maybe hit that bell. And if you guys are early, say hi. I'm active in the comments right after when this video goes live. So thanks for watching, and of course, have a great day.